Hi, welcome to this channel, and in this video we're going to be solving for the value of x and y. Feel free to pause the video and try to solve the question yourself. This is one of those questions that most matric learners they tend to struggle with. So let's see the trick that you can use to solve this question. So we're having 3 to the power of y plus 1 over 32, which is equals to 96 to the power of x, right? So what we can do here is that in order for us to solve this question, we must try and remove the square root, right? So let's see if we can remove the square root. So we can say 3 to the power of y plus 1 is equals to 32, the square root of 96 to the power of x. Let's square both sides in order for us to remove the square root, right? So we're going to have 3 to the power of 2y plus 2, which is equals to 32 to the power of 2 multiplied by 96 to the power of x, right? So, okay, here's where we can use the trick. 2 to the power of y, 2y plus 2 is equals to 32 to the power of 2. 96 is divisible by 3, so we can say 3 multiplied by 32 to the power of x, right? So here we're going to have 3 to the power of 2y plus 2 is equals to 32 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x multiplied by 32 to the power of x, right? We're using exponential rules. So now we have 3 to the power of 2y plus 2, which is equals to, we can have 32, also applying the exponents rules, we can have x plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x, right? Okay. So here we can divide the 3 to the power of 2y plus 2 divided by 32 to the power of x plus 2. Okay, then this side we can say 3 to the power of x, right? What are we going to divide by? So anything to the power of 0 is 1, right? So we can actually say 32 to the power of 0 here, right? 32 to the power of 0 is 1, right? So, okay. Now we can say, from here we can say, therefore, if the bases are the same, right? If the bases are the same and we equate the exponents, we can be able to solve this problem, right? So we can say 2y plus 2 is equals to x, and x plus 2 is equals to 0. So here we can find the value of x, which is negative 2. And also here we can say 2y plus 2 is equals to negative 2. And then we can say 2y is equals to negative 4. Then y is equals to negative 2. So we found the values of y and x, and they're both negative 2. So we can check the question to see if it is correct, right? We can check the question to see if it is correct. We can say 3 to the power of 2y plus 2, it's not 2y, it's y plus 2 over 3 to the power of 32 minus the square root of 96x, and we want to see if this is equals to 0, right? So we have 3 to the power of negative 2 plus 2, right? We have negative 2 plus 2 plus, not plus 2, plus 1 actually, because this is 1. Okay, this is 1 also. So divide by 32, right? Is negative minus 96 to the power of negative 2. And this is equals to, 3 to the power of 1 plus multiplied by 1 over 32 minus, we can say this is 96. We can say this is negative 1, then divide by 2 cancels the square root, then we're left with 96 to the power minus 1. So this is also going to be 1 over 96 minus 1 over 96, which is equals to 0. So our answer is correct, right?